Hey there, fellow sleep seekers. My name is Adriana, reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Goodnyte pillow. The Goodnyte pillow is made with fiber fill, and it's utilizing pillow and pillow construction. And there's really not many pillows like this, and so it's really cool when you can come across them. And the way it works is pretty simple. You literally have a pillow within a pillow. And so when you open this, pillow within a pillow. It makes sense. Now, what's really cool about this is that there's a bit of customization that they allow you, so if you find you don't need that much support, you can always take the center piece out and put this back together, and you've got something to work with. Like, I know stomach sleepers typically don't need a lot of support, so something more on the flatter side would be ideal for them. Another great use for something like this is if you're traveling and you're traveling with kids and they don't need that much support, being able to take this pillow out of this pillow and having something smaller for them, it's a really great thing that you can do and change on the fly. And I like pillows like this. I really haven't seen many of them. And it's simple, it's almost like it's difficult to find things to say, but it's the simplicity that's so appealing about it. A previous pillow that I tried out had the same kind of concept where, like, when you opened it, there's different layers inside. But what I didn't like about that pillow was that I felt that the inner layers were just not thick enough. Like, you could have one inner layer and it just wasn't sufficient. And I think where they lacked actually was that their outer layer was also not supportive enough. And like with this, you can see that it's really substantial to fill. On the other side, it's a lot smoother and a little bit more flat. But on this particular side, they made sure to give you padding here. Now, I don't know very much about the company. They are a new company. They are due to launch their website very soon. So I'm going to keep it simple with you guys today, just as the pillow was designed to be simple. I'm going to give this pillow a try and tell you what I think about it. Well, I would definitely have to say that this pillow is a soft pillow. It is incredibly comfortable. You just kind of effortlessly just fall into it. It feels like a cloud. It really feels so soothing, so relaxing. And I have to say, it really resembles down quite effectively. But it is a fiber-filled pillow, so fear not. But it feels great. I really like this. I think if you're a back sleeper, this is perfect. Side sleeping for this, unfortunately, I wouldn't recommend it, because otherwise I really like this pillow a lot. And I will go ahead and take out the inner pillow and lay on the pillow without the inner part just to see how flat it feels and how great that would be for a stomach sleeper, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be awesome. But if you're a side sleeper, I don't know if this is the solution for you, because I don't think that there's nearly enough firmness. And when you're sleeping on your side and you don't have total alignment, you know, you're basically welcoming all sorts of problems, not just like discomfort or pain, but muscle spasms and things like that, things that become very difficult to treat and to live with. Another cool thing about this, it doesn't just open like from here to here. You know, it opens halfway, which is like awesome. It just makes it so much easier to move things around, you know? So, I have a whole face of makeup on and I don't want to dirty this pillow. For stomach sleeping, I don't know if this would do it for me. I'm really not sure. I mean, look, there's always the option to fold it in half, right? You can always do that. And that definitely feels a bit better. But now, I'm beginning to wonder what just this will feel like. Yeah, this might be more your cup of tea if you're a stomach sleeper. Actually, just the inner part. It looks like maybe it's like it looks like it has a pretty substantial amount of thickness, but it's an illusion. It's actually really fluffy and it goes down, you know? So I like just the inner part. Overall, I have to say that I really like this pillow. If you're a back sleeper, I think this is a great option for you. If you're a stomach sleeper, there's plenty of options for you here. However, if you are a side sleeper, I'm concerned about this not providing you with enough neck and shoulder support. And it is a big deal. So it's a big deal. One day I will show you the spasms that I have. They are so awful. Overall, my impression of the Goodnyte pillow is really positive. I like what they've created. I like this type of pillow construction. I feel like there's not a lot of pillows created in this manner, and I really like it. It's unique, it's different, and I think it takes a lot of work to create one that's well done, and I do think this one is well done. As far as benefits, you know, I don't know if Goodnyte plans to promote this as a down alternative pillow. If they did, I think it'd be a great idea, because I really do feel this resembles a down pillow. I feel like this pillow comes the closest in comparison to probably anything I've tried that would almost meet the same like comfort level and texture of a down pillow. I think this is a great item for a new company, and I think that the only thing that Goodnyte now is missing within their line of pillows is to have a pillow that is more suited for neck support for side sleeping. Other than that, I really like what we have here. It's simple, it's well made, it feels really comfortable, and I think that's all you really need from a pillow. Well, it's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this video to be insightful. If you'd like to learn more, there will be a written review linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time for more pillow reviews.